Ever wondered how billions of dollars vanish from blockchain systems? It's not just hackers with fancy tools. It's a high-stakes game between smart contracts and the hidden flaws they contain. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking AI tool called A1 that's rewriting the rules of blockchain security. Let's break it down. Smart contracts are like digital agreements that run themselves on the blockchain, powering everything from crypto apps to NFTs. But here's the catch. Even after years of manual checks, billions are still lost to attacks. Why? Traditional methods rely on rigid rules or human guesswork, both of which struggle with the complexity of real-world threats. Enter A1, a revolutionary AI system that turns large language models into digital detectives. Think of it as a supercharged security tool that doesn't just spot flaws, it creates attack strategies. Unlike old tools that guess at vulnerabilities, A1 learns from real-world data, testing its ideas on actual blockchain history. Here's how it works. A1 grabs smart contract code, analyzes it with 6 specialized tools, and generates exploit plans. It's like giving an AI a toolkit to reverse engineer a lock. The system doesn't just guess. It tests its ideas by simulating attacks on historical blockchain states. And here's the kicker. It only reports attacks that actually work, eliminating false alarms. The results? A1 cracked 63% of tested vulnerabilities on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, uncovering $9 million in potential losses. But it's not just about speed, it's about precision. In 432 experiments, A1 improved with each try, though the gains slowed over time. The cost? As low as a penny per test, making this a game changer for security teams. But there's a twist. The research reveals a stark economic imbalance. At just 0.1% vulnerability rates, attackers could profit from exploits worth $6,000, while defenders need $60,000 to justify the same effort. This isn't just about code, it's about who controls the tools. If AI makes exploitation cheaper and faster, the balance of power in blockchain security could shift dramatically. So what does this mean for the future? A1 shows the immense potential of AI in cybersecurity, but it also raises urgent questions. As these tools become more accessible, will they empower defenders or fuel new waves of attacks? The answer might shape the next chapter of blockchain's evolution. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the next big breakthrough in security might just be an AI learning to think like a hacker. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating study on how AI is being used to uncover vulnerabilities in DeFi platforms. If you've ever wondered how hackers find weaknesses in blockchain systems, or how researchers are fighting back, this is the video for you. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the setup. The researchers created a dataset of 36 DeFi exploits, combining real-world hacks with synthetic scenarios to test AI's capabilities. This isn't just theoretical. These are actual vulnerabilities that have cost users millions. By analyzing contract code, transaction patterns, and historical data, they built a framework to simulate how AI could both detect and generate exploits. Now here's the technical deep dive. A1 uses a multi-stage process. It starts by parsing smart contract code, then applies 6 specialized models to identify potential flaws. These include symbolic execution for path analysis, static code analysis for known patterns, and dynamic simulation to test exploit viability. The AI doesn't just flag issues. It generates attack vectors, like reentrancy chains or arithmetic overflow scenarios, and validates them against blockchain snapshots. The implications are staggering. In one test, A1 identified a $9 million vulnerability in a DeFi protocol by simulating a multi-hop swap attack. This isn't just about finding bugs. It's about understanding how liquidity pools, fee structures, and price oracles interact in complex ways. For example, a shallow pool in a multi-hop trade can create a bottleneck, leading to slippage that attackers exploit. A1's ability to model these interactions at scale is a paradigm shift. But this isn't just about breaking systems, it's about building better ones. The research highlights a critical asymmetry. Attackers can profit from a 0.1% vulnerability rate, while defenders need a 10x higher return to justify investment. AI tools like A1 could tip this balance, either by accelerating patching or by democratizing attack capabilities. The question is just, can we build better security? It's should we. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future of blockchain security isn't just about code. It's about the tools we use to protect it. Thanks for watching, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time.